Hey guys, it's your boy Michael with the H&M Reloaded channel, and today we're going to change the MAP sensor in our 2018 Hyundai Santa Fe Sport. Here's the part. This is the sensor assembly. This is the MAP sensor. This is genuine Hyundai parts, okay? I'm going to show you. There it is. Made in Vietnam. Okay, and I'm going to try to show you where things are here. There's a green dot on the 8mm screw. That is the MAP sensor. And keep in mind, I do not have any engine codes coming up on the car. There's no engine codes. However, I have been experiencing for the past month or so, you know, like a rough idle here and there. Not all the time, here and there. There's no codes in the car whatsoever. Okay, you know, it's like port, fuel economy, you know, just it like hesitates every now and then, you know, when I step on the gas. You know, and since my 2018 Hyundai Santa Fe Sport does not have a mass airflow sensor, the MAP sensor takes its place. So yeah, guys, we're going to take out the little 8mm bolt that I just showed you. Again, right down there. It's right there. And you see the little connector. You're going to have to push that connector in and pull out. I'm going to show you when I take it out. 8mm, okay. Little crud on there. Let's put this aside somewhere. Let's put it up here. Okay. And now, when you go to take this out, you're gonna have to swivel it a little bit back and forth, because you don't want to break it. Even though you're replacing it, you don't want to break anything. All right, guys. This is the old MAP sensor. Okay, this is what it looks like. And most times you can clean them out, but I'm gonna replace it since it was pretty cheap anyway. So when it's on the engine area, when you unscrew the 8mm screw, before you pull it out, because it might snap, wiggle it back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Okay. And there's the connector. Okay. I was going to show you before. There's a tab. See where my thumb is? You push right here, and that'll lift up that little plastic piece, and you pull out. Push, pull. Okay. All right, now let's put the new. Here's the new MAP sensor. Always want to double check. Here's the new one. Okay. Here's the new one. It looks like the same connector. Okay, but let's just compare them. Okay. It is raining out here, guys, in the middle of winter. It's probably about 30 degrees out, 32 degrees. So let's just compare these guys. Okay. See if they're correct. They should be. Okay. See if they're the same number. 75221. They are not the same number, but obviously they are interchangeable according to Hyundai. Yeah, I'm sure this is probably a newer, updated model, since this is the one that came with the car in 2018. So yeah, we're gonna put our new one in. Okay. And we put it in the same exact way the other one came out. Okay. It's hard to, you know, it's very hard to, you can actually see the hole down there. You see the little hole? I'm going to clean that out a little bit. Okay. All right, guys. There's the hole. I cleaned it up a little bit for you. You know, it's hard to get in there really, but that's where the new one's going to go. It's very important. Make sure your new one has the O-ring around it. Okay. Make sure it has the O-ring around it. And also keep in mind with the old one, when you pull out the old one, make sure the O-ring is still on it. You know, I mean, most of the time it's going to be on it, but you never know. So just put the new one back in. Now you want to give it a little jolt. I mean, when you're putting in the new one, okay, you want to make sure it's seated properly. Take your finger, you know, just turn it until it goes in, you know. It's hard to show you when I'm doing it because I can't get my hand in there with the camera too. But yeah, just turn it in, make sure it's in place. And we're going to put the 8mm screw back in and then plug it in, see what happens. All right, guys. Now, if you notice down there, we have it plugged in, and we put the plug connector right back in. You just push it up until it clicks, and there it is. Okay. Now we're going to go in the car and see if we have a code. Okay, here's the push button. Let's see what we got. I'll see if the engine light's on. The engine light is not on yet. Sure, it's going to come on. Yeah, there's no lights. Pretty good. I'm pretty satisfied with this. I'm going to keep you guys posted. Guys, this is your boy Michael with the H&M Reloaded channel. Click that thumbs up button, guys. The algorithm goes a long way. Okay, we're going to be posting a lot more videos in the near future, actually. We have a lot more sponsors coming. And we have a lot more videos where I'm paying for things, and I'm going to actually show you how to use them. Okay? Shake your neighbor's hand as usual, guys. No more fighting in this world. It's got to stop. Hey, guys, click that subscribe button. Click the bell icon. Click all so you never miss an upcoming video or post of ours. Guys, this is your boy Michael with the H&M Reloaded channel. This is a fix. Peace out. Love you guys. Later.